Imagine such a war scene. On one side are the world's most powerful military powers, America and Israel. They have state-of-the-art fighter jets, billions of dollars worth of missiles, and powerful air defense systems. But the surprising thing is, standing in front of this huge power is a small weapon, which costs less than an ordinary car. And that weapon is slowly changing the entire equation of war. Many military analysts say, because of this drone, war has now become a game not only of power, but also of intelligence and economics. Just think. If a drone worth several $1,000s is stopped with a billion-dollar missile, then how much the calculation of war changes. At the center of this mystery is Iran's Shahed-136 kamikaze drone. At first glance, this drone may seem very ordinary. It is neither a big fighter jet nor a terrifying missile. But in reality, this small weapon is changing the concept of modern war, because until now, everyone thought the more advanced and expensive the weapon, the more powerful it is. But Shahed-136 has turned that idea upside down. This drone is called a kamikaze drone, or loitering munition. That means it does not strike directly, but rather it keeps moving in the sky and waits for the right moment. When the target comes in sight, it suddenly jumps, and with the explosion, it destroys the target and ends itself. Another strange aspect of it is its sound. While flying, its sound sounds a lot like a scooter. That is why many call it a flying scooter. The length of the drone is about 3.5 meters. It weighs a little more than 200 kilograms. Inside it is a small engine, a GPS system, and a flight control computer. It can fly at a speed of about 200 kilometers per hour and is capable of going up to 2,000 kilometers. But its real power lies here. It doesn't come alone. Sometimes dozens, even hundreds of drones attack at once. They fly low, which makes it difficult to detect on radar, and when they are detected, it may be too late. Yes, they can be destroyed, but the problem is the cost. A drone costs several $1,000s. But it takes hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars of missiles to stop it. That means a very expensive weapon has to be used to stop a cheap weapon, and when many drones come together, even the most powerful air defenses are overwhelmed. That's why many experts believe the Shahed-136 is not just a drone, but a new reality of modern warfare, a reality where it is possible to cause great damage at low cost, and it is forcing even powerful countries to think anew. What will the war of the future be like? Probably cheaper, smarter, and more uncertain.